What if you could build soaring towers, amazing structures, and the roller coaster of your dreams, all in your living room? It's possible with MagnetCubes, a new toy that's inspiring discovery and hands-on learning for all ages. MagnetCubes are magnetic, modular cubes that easily attach to one another. You don't need glue, connectors, or anything. Marble tracks can be attached through the cubes for easy rearrangement, so you can build, test, and rebuild with endless possibilities. The best part? The transparent cubes let you see all the action while you play. MagnetCubes aren't just ordinary building blocks. They build faster, larger, and more easily than any other building system, allowing you to create marvelous designs effortlessly. This dynamic toy is fun for everyone. It challenges children to be creative problem solvers and keeps adults limber and sharp. If you're staring at a screen all day, MagnetCubes are for you. Take breaks or relieve stress by playing with these pleasing structures and their relaxing kinetic movements. MagnetCubes are challenging, family-friendly, and fun. Grow your collection with expansion packs to create bigger and more complex designs. The possibilities are endless. Get your MagnetCube starter pack today and unleash your imagination.
Hi, do you know the benefits of head massage? A good head massage can reduce stress, relax, and calm your mind. It rejuvenates the brain and body and has been long tested to reduce headaches. It can even boost your concentration and improve blood circulation in different parts of the head, helping you to get better sleep. However, the expensive price, busy work, and inconvenience of time often make people don't get to always enjoy the comfort and relaxation brought by head massages, especially for anyone who overexhausts the mind. To people that suffer from insomnia, a good night's sleep is comparable to any luxury goods in the world. Today,
I feel really relaxed right now.
I feel it's amazing and I didn't see this before.
It feels good.
New experience to me, so I think worth to buy it. I would love to see that in the market to buy it.
Yeah, I feel it's good. It's relaxed. So comfortable. I like it.
This will be my new girlfriend. I like it. Yeah, wonderful. Good, eh? I wanna take metro, subway, walking with this.
I was so tired and I was doing a lot of stuff in the outside and playing the football, and I was so really tired and I get a headache because I didn't sleep well. After I use this machine, I really feel good and it's really make me comfort.
人の手で指で押されているような感じ。
Lelu is very simple and convenient to use. There is only one button in 3 modes. Tap right screen, press and hold for 3 seconds to start or shut down. Double-clicking will enter the current running direction. Reverse lockup. If you press it 3 times continuously before turning on the machine will work continuously for about 3 hours until the battery runs out. For more than 4 years, we never stop creating, designing, and improving. Just want to get the first high quality in the world. Excellent head-mounted massage device that simulates finger massage. The redesigned, ergonomically adjustable headband is suitable for almost all people. The finger-like soft massage head made of food-grade silicone can be used for all kinds of skin. The power core uses a powerful low-noise motor that has been developed for many years to support the machine for longer and stable work. For several years, we have continued the efforts of bringing better sleep, real comfort and relaxation to busy and stressed human beings. We need your help. Let us dream together and let more people enjoy Les Louvres for true comfort, relaxation, and better sleep. Thank you very much.
At Planet Computers, we never stop innovating. Over the past 2 years, we have delivered our award-winning Gemini PDA and Cosmo communicator devices to over 10,000 backers who supported our mission to kickstart a new mobile computing revolution. The revolution continues as we embrace the latest mobile technologies and trends, coupled with our passion for typing, writing, creating on the go. We are excited to say that we are extending the range of Planet devices with the brand new Astro Slide, our first 5G transformer smartphone.
To create the ultimate mobile phone, it's really about no compromise. We listen to our backers and they want a large touchscreen display always accessible, but at the same time they want a Planet signature keyboard accessible whenever they need it, without compromise. We are fully embracing the power of 5G and Wi-Fi 6, and we decided to go all in to find the fastest 5G processor currently available to give the ultimate 5G experience on the Astro Slide. To have a smartphone that can transform into a pocket computer with simple thumb action is truly a leap in usability and functionality, great for both work and play. The Astro Slide is a no-compromise solution, and we think it is perfect as your daily driver. We hope that you like it.
Planet Computers introduces the Astro Slide, our flagship 5G smartphone. It's the ultimate in mobile design, power and usability. Astro Slide is the first of Planet's transformer smartphones with a large 6.53-inch touchscreen display, featuring Planet's revolutionary patented rock-up slider hinge. Astro Slide reveals Planet's signature keyboard with the push of a thumb. The display gently tilts up to the optimal viewing angle, transforming Astro into a powerful pocket computer. Astro Slide gives you the freedom to write, create, animate, communicate, and be entertained in one familiar form factor. Astro Slide is the fastest 5G device to be announced to date. Powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 1000 chipset, it offers twice the performance of other 5G chipsets, with significantly reduced power consumption, achieving download speeds of up to 4.7 gigabits per second with dual 5G modems. Astro Slide's battery will power a user through an entire day of work and play. Astro Slide features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, BLE audio, NFC communications, and wireless charging. Astro has a 48-megapixel rear-facing camera as well as a front camera for video calling. Other features of Astro Slide include a fingerprint sensor, 2 nano SIM slots and 1 eSIM, a micro SD slot for additional storage, minimum 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, 2 USB-C ports and an audio jack. Planet's signature backlit keyboard allows you to comfortably work at night or in dark spaces, such as on long plane journeys without the need of external lighting. Astro is designed to run the latest Android 10 OS and all your favourite apps, as well as Linux-based operating systems with a multi-boot option. It's a true all-in-one replacement for both your smartphone and your laptop. Perfect as your daily driver, We hope that you like our new device and that you can help us make it a reality.